can handle it.
Right. That's her back in. So you reset the camber. So you marked it there. Marked it there. Line it up. Same on this side. A bolt in there. Springs back in. Use the jack here to put her back in. Just one clamp. And piece of cord to tie the spring. Keep her for jumping. And that's the arm back in. And this is a Volkswagen
Tiguan.
Tiguan
2 litre sport.
2 litre sport. That's a Common MOT fail. So you have one of these. This around be rotten. Rusted. You see here with the chalk mark of the tester. You put a hole in there. So you got a Tiguan. You're going to have to change the arms before you put them for a test. It's just a 15 deal. So it's just a handy way of fitting them. Oh. I just tie the chain on here. Keep the arms from spreading in case anything comes down. So once you're tapping and rattling and pulling, you can slide off the lift here. So it's just to keep the arms from spreading. That's all it's changed for. So there we have it. Tighten up this bolt now. Set the camber. Tighten this bolt. And then we'll take off the string here and the clamps. One clamp. And that's just the handier way of putting them in.